Hello friends, uh, if you have reached the screen, I'm pretty sure you have already followed all the steps to generate your credentials for a manufacturer login. So you can use your username and password to log into this page. Once you're here, this is the database. This is the page where you can control your products. If you're the manufacturer, you can control the products which you want to see on the ONP Pro app. This is where you can make it look good or bad. Um, you can, once you've created your credentials, you can even go and change your password right from here. Um, Once you start, you can even add a new product. Once you can write the product name, select a category. It could be any of these categories. If you do not find the category your products falls under, please let us know at support@onppro.com so we can create a new category for you. You will not be able to create a category yourself. You can write a description for the product. This is very important and not for the value analysis app. It is very important for the new feature in the ONP Pro app, which is called Product Showcase, which has the description of the product and does not have the pricing and the coding information. And then you do not have the rights to change the supplier or the manufacturer. You can only change your own products. You can add codes. Say you want to use L5679. Um, so that automatically gives you the Medicare reimbursement floor and ceiling. You do not have to go and calculate that every time while you're putting in them. We have done the math and the calculations for you. Once you're here, then you can add, if you want to add another code, like say if there's a knee, it has two codes. So it's a L5986. So that knee has two codes. It will add the reimbursement for both the codes and show the pricing over here. Then you can plug in your cost, say $800 or whatever the cost is. You do not have to write the cost if you don't feel comfortable using it. Your products will only show up in the product showcase for all the world to see. You can then choose if your product, if it's a prosthetic foot or knee, you can choose K1, 2, 3, 4, or only certain items. If it's not a knee or foot, you can use NA. You do have to write a weight limit of the product. If there is no weight limit on the product, you can write 0. You should put the product page on your website. Say you don't want to send people to the home page, but if you have a page for the product, say if there's a foot, so if there's a page for the foot, you want to send people right there. And as soon as people are looking at your product on the application, they will be directed right to that web page. And here you can choose a photo and put a photo in there, and the photo will show up right there, and you can hit save, and that will save the product. You can delete a product, and if you say yes, it will remove the product. It will say product deleted successfully. You can add a new product, um, and you can change all the information you need to change, and you can see all the information you need to see, which is being shown up for your companies um, on OMP Pro application. If you have any further questions about the application or any problems you have using this software, please do not hesitate to send us an email. We will take care of the problem right away. We have made the application very secure. If you do decide to put your pricing information, it will only reach ONP practitioner in the United States. At this point in time, we do not, uh, we are not allowing the pricing information to be shared for non-US signups. So please do not hesitate to put the pricing information. You're already giving the L codes and pricing to the practitioners. This is another way of doing that, and they are already comparing your prices in these tough economic times. So, but if you still feel uncomfortable, we will. You can put the products in, but you do not have to put the pricing information. The products will show up on the product showcase and not will not be listed as nicely on the value analysis app of the ONP Pro application. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.